Welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to solve this problem that 10 power x is equal to 100 square. X is equal to what? So first of all, here we write 10 power x is equal to, we write 100 as 10 square whole power 2. So now here we write 10 power x is equal to, we multiply power with power, so it's equal to 10 power 4. So now when the bases are same, we just write the power, so we write x is equal to 4. So x is equal to 4. Now we find the value of x. Now we put the value of x in this equation and let's see our answer is right or wrong. So we write here 10 power, we write 4 instead of x is equal to 100 square. So now 10 power 4 means 10 multiply by 10 multiply by 10 multiply by 10 is equal to 100 square means 100 multiply by 100. So now it's equals to 10000 is equal to, it's equal to 10000. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. It means our answer is right.